Purchasing a home for the first time can be nerve-wracking. You can get pulled in many different directions with parents or friends or even roommates offering advice. And doing a quick search online can leave your head spinning, going down one rabbit hole to the next with terms like PMI, PITI, DTI, closing costs, APR, and many others. So here is my list of 7 things I think every first-time homebuyer should know. Number 1, talk with a mortgage broker, lender, or bank. A good mortgage loan officer is great at asking questions. They're gonna be able to quickly diagnose any potential roadblocks to give you a clear understanding of your home buying options. This is like talking with a boat captain before you plot your course. I recommend speaking with a local lender. So why is this important? The lender will tell you the amount that you're able to borrow. That doesn't mean that you should max out your budget. This is just the amount that the bank is willing to lend you based on your credit profile. So get your pre-approval, then seek out a realtor who can help you find that perfect home. Number 2, don't look for that HGTV house. It's like MTV Cribs raised an entire generation to watch HGTV. Finding that perfect home is like finding a needle in a haystack. And chances are, if you're a first-time home buyer, you're not gonna live in the home more than 4 to 6 years. So don't compare your first home to that HGTV house. Number 3, moving too fast. Buying a home can be complex, and rushing the process can cost you later on. When you go out and you start touring houses, it can be easy to start seeing yourself in the home and what furniture will go where and how you'll design the bedrooms. This can make it tough to make those sound financial decisions. Slow down. Think about your must-haves on your home list. And know that you're not going to check all those boxes on your list, but what are the things you absolutely can't live without? Ask yourself, does this fit within my budget? Will I have enough cash left over after closing to get furniture, appliances, lawnmower, etc.? Plan for additional costs like home inspection, sewer inspection, closing costs, and not planning ahead can be costly. You could end up losing money if you have to back out of the purchase contract. So have a budget. Number 4, don't use online mortgage calculators. Just like fingerprints, everyone has a different credit profile. Calculators often leave out important costs and can provide inaccurate estimates of taxes, insurance, HOAs. What's important is to discuss what options you have with your lender. There are different loan programs out there, and many may offer down payment assistance, or you may receive a credit from the seller. These are things that mortgage calculators won't be able to help you with. Number 5, the true cost of home ownership. As a new homeowner, you'll pay for property taxes, possibly mortgage insurance if you bring in less than 20% down, homeowner's insurance, HOAs, repairs. This list can add up. That's why talking with a lender first can help lighten the stress. They'll help you crunch the numbers and hopefully put you at ease. Number 6, don't try to buy a home if you don't have money set aside. Yes, there are programs out there to help first-time homebuyers, but if you can't save a few $1,000s, you shouldn't be buying a home. The last thing you want to do is purchase a home and then have the water heater go out or another appliance. Then you rack up credit card debt and you're on the roller coaster to try to get ahead with credit card debt and your new mortgage payment. Number 7, don't do anything. Lenders pull credit reports for pre-approval to make sure things check out, and they'll pull it again just before closing. They want to make sure nothing has changed in your financial picture. So any new loans, credit cards, those types of accounts can jeopardize the closing. Keep the status quo on your finances from pre-approval to closing. Otherwise, you could lower your credit score and run up your debt-to-income ratios, which would put your final approval at risk. Remember, once you get the keys in hand, then you can apply for that Home Depot card, but not until then. So I hope this all helps. Don't let the list overwhelm you. Start from the top and it should fall in place from there. Take care.